Hey, so, I heard something about protein synthesis the other day while I was eating a sandwich and watching TV. What the heck is protein synthesis? Is it like when Lois sews my pants back together after I rip them? Okay, so let me try to think this through. First off, where does it start? Is it in the kitchen? No, it's in the cell, right? There's DNA. You remember DNA? That twisted ladder thing? How does that lead to a burger? I mean, a protein. Right, so DNA holds the recipe. But how does a recipe become a cake or a protein? You need a copy. That's called transcription. Why would a cell make a copy instead of just using the original? Maybe so the original DNA doesn't get messy, like leaving ketchup on grandma's cookbook. During transcription, the cell makes an RNA copy of the DNA instructions. That RNA is messenger RNA, mRNA. Why messenger? Because it carries the message from the DNA in the nucleus out to the ribosome. What's a ribosome? Imagine a tiny kitchen robot that reads the mRNA recipe and builds the protein step by step. That second part is translation. Translation uses transfer RNA, tRNA, to bring the right ingredients, which are amino acids. How does the ribosome know which amino acid to use? The mRNA is read in three-letter words called codons, and each codon matches a specific amino acid. So, what determines the final shape of the protein? After the amino acids link up into a chain, the chain folds into a specific shape like origami, but for molecules. Why does folding matter? Because shape determines function. A folded protein could be an enzyme, a structural beam, or even a messenger. If everything's supposed to work, why do mistakes happen? Mutations change the DNA recipe, and that can change the protein. Sometimes it's nothing, sometimes it causes trouble. Could fixing those mistakes be the key to curing stuff? What if we could rewrite recipes that cause disease? So, protein synthesis, DNA, mRNA, transcription, ribosome reads mRNA, and tRNA brings amino acids, translation, chain folds into a functional protein. How else could we explain life if not by recipes and tiny kitchen robots?